your names? Come here. Turn over here. Yes. Oh. Over here, one over here, yes. What's your name?
Daniel,
Danielle, where are you from?
Mexico City.
What's your name?
Kevin,
Kevin, where are you from?
from Mexico City as well.
Amazing. What do you do in Mexico City?
And I'm in Malacca.
Like a job.
What I do?
Yeah, what I do.
Want to play the game that I'm an astronaut or really I
Yeah, I mean, if you want to go to space, no one's going to put limits on your dreams.
play games as well.
You play games too?
Sometimes. I like more board games, but it's video games.
Thank you so much.